Welcome to the Program Management Office Essentials Keeping It Simple series. This series is geared especially towards the smaller business that must wrestle with the complexities of managing their projects with limited project management capacity or capability. In this short presentation, we will provide the official definition of both portfolio and portfolio management, as per the Project Management Book of Knowledge, also referred to as the PMBOK, and offer some additional thoughts on how these two terms are used in a business context. PMBOK defines a portfolio as a collection of projects or programs and other work that are grouped together to facilitate effective management of that work to meet strategic business objectives. The projects or programs of the portfolio may not necessarily be interdependent or directly related. At first glance, a portfolio sounds very similar to a program, but note the absence of the word related. The portfolio can be reviewed as an organization-wide series of business opportunities consisting of multiple programs, some of which have individual projects within them, and multiple other projects, that when considered as a holistic whole, provide great insight into the current activities that have been determined by the business hierarchy as helping the organization meet its strategic business objectives. In this Program Management Office Essentials Keeping It Simple series, we go a step further in separating portfolio from program by presenting the portfolio as the initial capture of all potential business opportunities prior to their assessment and subsequent decision to move ahead and create a project. In this way, we see the portfolio as a kind of project sausage machine. All the opportunities go into the front end of the mixer and become part of the portfolio, but after assessment, analysis and selection have taken place, only the successful projects are issued from the process. Some opportunities do not make the grade, and others, while considered worthwhile, are not the right projects to pursue in the present time frame. The portfolio is therefore an ever-moving, ever-changing mix of business opportunities, out of which projects might be selected if and when the time is right and the business environment is favorable for them. PMBOK defines portfolio management as the centralized management of one or more portfolios, which includes identifying, prioritizing, authorizing, managing, and controlling projects, programs, and other related work to achieve specific strategic business objectives. So the portfolio can be seen to be the overriding construct that assembles all business opportunities into a structured whole from which top-down organizational determination can be made as to which opportunities best meet the current needs of the business. Note that it is possible to have more than one portfolio. Governments and very large business entities could have more than one in order to help them organize a significant diversity of projects. But smaller businesses will usually only have the one portfolio. Note also the use of the words centralized management. Portfolio management requires an overarching view of all opportunities presenting themselves to the business. This by inference requires that at the top of the organizational hierarchy there will be a small group of business leaders who understand the organization's mission and are able to discern which opportunities will best meet their objectives and expand their business. Portfolio management, by its very nature, is a complex and variable amalgam of processes and tasks that are, to a large extent, unique to each business. The primary challenge for portfolio management to overcome is the ever-present divide between business leadership, functional management, and project oversight. All three layers of the business have their own challenges and positional views of the world, which of course is understandable considering their different roles. However, it is imperative that information management processes and tools are deployed that help bridge the gap, provide a cohesive structured approach, allow senior management directives, strategies and objectives to be shared and understood throughout the organization, and finally, allow project and program reporting to flow upwards in a format that can be easily digested by organizational leadership. This material is brought to you courtesy of Glenn Kerridge, author and developer behind the PMO Essentials Project Management Toolkit, a project management office survival kit for small to medium businesses. You can find more information on how the PMO Essentials project management tools and templates could help your organization at the following web address: www.pmoessentials.com. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this brief overview presentation. While we can only scratch the surface in this series of short presentations, it is our hope that you will find this information useful. A wealth of training material is available on the web, and you can also obtain more information and assistance by emailing info@pmoessentials.com.